In today's video, I'll teach you how to find previous TikTok live recordings. First of all, launch open TikTok application. You can see over here TikTok has been opened. Initially, you'll be to the home interface. So what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be to the profile interface. What you have to do is tap on this option TikTok Studio that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the TikTok Studio interface. Now over here you'll be able to find this section for analytics. What you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to view the analytics over here. At top you'll be able to find various options. Tap on this option live that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to explore the live analytics. What you have to do is scroll down and tap on this option, go to Live Center that you can see on the screen. Or instead of doing all that, what you can do is simply go to the Creator Tools and tap on the option Live Center. But right now Creator Tools is not available for me, so I'm just going to tap on this option. Now you'll be led to the Live Center interface. I'm not eligible for the Live Center, but you'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is tap on the option Live Recordings. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see your previous live recordings. Keep in mind you'll not be able to see the live recordings more than 30 days ago, but you'll be able to watch, download or delete the previous live recordings of 30 days ago. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you find previous TikTok live recordings. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.